Are you overwhelmed by managing multiple customer communications? It's time to simplify. Imagine a unified platform where live chat, shared inbox, and customer management come together effortlessly. With our solution, you can reply in under an hour and increase responses by 56% in the first year. Our customers enjoy CSAT scores 25% higher than the industry average. Delight your customers with exceptional experiences that turn them into lifelong fans. Offer them a seamless self-service experience and cut your team's email volume by 30%. Built for customer-first teams, our pricing is based on contacts you help monthly. With unlimited users and powerful AI features, you only pay for what you use. Choose our free plan for up to 50 contacts or start with our standard and plus plans. Don't miss out on transforming your customer interactions. Sign up today, and let's elevate your service to new heights.